morning. Welcome to Doing Life with Miranda. Today I have a little bit of crazy hair, but that's okay. We're just gonna go with it. I also have a Stitch Fix box, so if you want to see what is in here, then keep on watching.
If almost gone, someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater.
Alright, Stitch Fix is a $20 styling fee. I, however, do get the Style Pass, so I only have to pay $49 for the whole year, and they send me as many boxes as I can possibly get in a month, which is usually 2. Alright, so let me get my trusty scissors out and cut the tape and see. I really actually, to be honest, was not expecting this box, so I don't even know what, I mean, I didn't request anything. I have no idea what she sent. I hope everybody's having a good day. I just dropped my scissors, but that's okay. Ooh, maybe I should not request boxes more often. Look, I have shoes in there. I love getting shoes. What do y'all think about this hair? Sorry about it. It's the way it is today. It's my day off, and so we're just going with it. Hope everybody else is having a happy day. All right, this is the return mailer. I don't have to pay to send anything back. All right, come on, Stitch Fix. It used to come all nice and wrapped up in this pretty little envelope, and now it's just like I had to stuff it all back in there because it was just thrown in there. But if you're brand new, it does come with a little style card. I don't even want to look yet because I don't know what's in here. I have no idea. So let's just hold on. I think I saw something. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, so we have to go with the shoes first. Oh! Stitch Fix, you little rascals. Those are leopard print flats. Do you know how long I have been looking for leopard print flats? Like poor, yeah, those are really cute. Are they gonna fit? They're by Report. Let's just slide. They won't match my polka dots, but oh, those are soft. But they feel kind of big. I'll have to walk around. But they are really, really soft. Jess with, well, her channel is Jess Love Style. You know, she's my pal. And she has been, I've been getting, sorry, my nose itches. I have been getting thread up boxes for a while now, and she's been on the hunt for leopard print. She hadn't quite found any yet, so I am super stoked about those. All right, moving on. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Like, I think school's probably letting out, but I've seen the sheriff drive. Now I live in a really small town. Yeah, there's the school bus. And I have seen him like going around like a bunch. Like that's the 3rd time I've seen him. Okay, you know, squirrel. But I have these wall of windows and I can see what's going on. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm in big, humongous trouble this month, maybe. Oh my gosh. Because that looks like some good stuff. All right. We have some STS, Saints Blue, Emma ankle skinny jeans. The kitty is trying to get in here. I look really cute with my polka dot. So there's some black skinny jeans. I don't have any black skinny jeans, and I've been looking for black ones and white ones. So those look good. They are a size 33. They look like they've got some stretch to them. They're 9-inch mid-rise. I like the mid-rise. Yo. Prosperity jean jacket. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm too excited about this box that I didn't know I was getting. Glad I didn't peek. This is the Jolene Stretch denim jacket in light blue. It's an extra large. Stitch Fix. Ooh, lordy. All right, what's this one? Ooh, this is soft. Ooh. By Love Ellie. It's like this camel, light camel color. And then it's got crisscrosses in the back. It is really, really, really soft. What is the material in this? It is 50% rayon, 26% polyester, and 24% nylon. It's really a nice fabric. All right, look, that's little bitty baby polka dots. All right, what is this? This is a high-low blouse, and it's really cute. Oh my goodness. What it reminds me of, you know, me saying, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You know what movie? Annie. If you watched Annie, or if you haven't seen Annie, you need to go watch it. It's one of my all-time favorite little movies from when I was young. But she says, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So anyways, the sun will come out tomorrow. All right. Let's just throw that back there so I can get to the price sheet. All right, we can take a peek now, which is what it says. Take a peek. All right. Hi, Miranda. How are you doing? I hope all is well. That this fix is just another reason for you to smile today. I loved getting the chance to pull these pieces together for you and really tried to keep your wonderful profile in mind while doing so. Since you didn't have any specific request, I started this time with the STS blue jeans in classic black. They are an easy go-to in any closet and look amazing with tops like the Love Always sweater or Lush blouse that you can wear alone or layer under the Prosperity jean jacket with cuffed sleeves. Finish any of these looks with a pop of fun in the Report footwear, printed flat, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. I can't wait to read your always helpful feedback and see what you think, Callie. And then it has all the little cute little looks. All right, who's ready for a try on? I am. All right, so the first thing I put on is the pullover by Love Always. Mia back detail pullover in beige. It's an extra large and it's $44. So it's got the band here on the bottom and on the cuffs here. It is a really nice material. And then on the back, if you can see my bra, I'm sorry, but it's got that crisscrossing in the back. And it is really soft. It's a good transition piece actually because it's not real heavy. And then on the bottom, I have on these shoes. These are my jeans. They are Wit Wisdoms from my trunk club. But these are the shoes. They're like quilted, if you can see. And then of course leopard print. So I thought they would be really cute with the camel colored sweater. All right. All right, so I just put on the next pieces all together and then I'll kind of shed the jacket. So let's start with this jacket. It is the Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket in light blue, extra large. It's $68. It's the most expensive thing in the box. It does have good stretch. I don't think that I would probably close it, but it's fine open. The arms are a little long though. They're quite long. It does say, I think, that I can cuff them. So that might be an option. All right, so it's a different color blue on the bottom, but it is a nice little jean jacket. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and we'll talk about the top. It is a high-low. It's got the V here. It's not too revealing, which is good for work. It's got the faux, tab sleeve. They don't come down any. And then it's longer in the back. This one is the Warren split neck blouse for $44. And then the last thing is the STS Blue Taya Skinny Jean in black. They're a size 16 and they're $45? Yeah. They are $45. They're too long. They are not a skinny ankle jean on me. They're way too long. If I take my shoes off, y'all see, they're just too long. I really need a petite, and I forget to tell them. I thought I had it marked petites, but maybe I don't. And then I did still have on the shoes with them. I forgot to tell you originally how much the shoes were. They are the Shannon printed flat, size 8 for $40. Recap this lovely little surprise that I got. All right. I love this little jean jacket. I thought it was really cute, and when I looked at it in the mirror, I thought I looked adorable in it. I did put it on with just some regular jeans for myself, and I thought, like I said, I thought I looked adorable. So $60, that's a maybe. Then I looked at this little blouse by Lush, and I thought it looked really cute as well. So let me know what you think of that. The jeans were too big, so I know I'm not keeping those. And then when I looked in the mirror at this beige sweater with the crisscrosses in the back, it hung weird. Like it was like bumpy. I don't know, it was weird. So I did not like that. I do, however, still have the shoes on. I kind of want to see if they're going to be comfy. All right, let's do the thing and let's see the business part. The Stylist Picks subtotal is $241. I get a 25% discount of $60.25, making the total $180.75. All right, there we go. That was my fix number 17, if anybody was curious. All right, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this box. Do you think that, the thing is that it's probably cheap. I don't know, I'll have to do the math and see if, 60, what? Let's see, 60, 70, 80, 90, 104. $144 for the 3 items. Or those, see, that's where they get you, but it just doesn't look right. So I don't know, I might just get the jean jacket and maybe the shoes. We'll see, but they were really cute. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out and give this video a big thumbs up. See you later. Bye.
One love.